Good afternoon, friends. This is your boy Red Devil 22, and today is May 7th, 2023. And I'm actually doing this will be the first time doing a vlog for a vlog for our church for St. Francis de Sales, because usually I never do a vlog for a church before, but I'm heading to the bazaar they are having right now. But as you can see behind my car, I see rain, and it's raining right now. So, and I see a lot of cars parked in the front. They're parked in front, and other people parked on the other side, because it's just a lot of bazaar. There's a lot set up for the bazaar on some areas of the parking lot. So that's why people are parked out here. They can't come inside the area. They can't come inside the gated area where the church is at. That's why. But it was like I believe it's like certain cars that could come in. So, and I'll be volunteering at this bazaar anyway. So I was supposed to be volunteering like 2 hours ago, but I had to take care of some errands, so I was like, but I'm here now. So, and it's probably gonna rain like this for like the next I want to say the next probably 2 or 3 days. I mean, right now it's just all like, oh shoot, it's all lightning. Oh man, it's all lightning. Oof. That was like 3 lightning flashes. Oh man, that was terrible. Not terrible, it's scary though. That could have burned the tree down though. That could have hit the tree and just burn it down. Like, not burn it, but like knock it down. Like it can knock any tree down. Yeah, so I'll be volunteer at the St. Francis de Sales Church, at the St. Francis de Sales church. As you can see here, got my old I think these are shirts from I want to say 2021, maybe 2 years ago, because the one from last year was like it was this blue, but it was like baby blue. That's what it was last year. But I think these were like maybe 1 or 2 years ago shirts. You know, so you can see it's like says, what does it says on my shirt? It says building bridges through faith, family, and community. Yeah, that's what it says on my shirt right there. So they usually do like different t-shirts, but different colors, so like maybe different themes. I don't know what the new one is, but all I know is the shirts are like white. It's like white, like a white t-shirt. I don't know how the logo looks like. I don't think I bought one from there. So, all right, guys. I'm gonna head to this. Walk to the bazaar area and try to get some volunteer over there. Also volunteer at the bingo hall right after this. So it's gonna be a long day, but it's gonna be raining all day till like 1 in the morning or something. So hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday afternoon, and I will see you next time. Peace. Good evening, friends. I am back, and this is your boy Red Devil 22. So I just got out of that St. Francis de Sales Bazaar 2023, and the theme is God is the strength of my heart. So that's what the theme is. And this shirt I got is actually from 2018. I think I said 2020 in my intro. 2020 last year or something. I mean 2 years ago. So, but this is a 2018 shirt. But the one 2023 is white, and the theme is God is the strength of my heart. Yeah, and I actually had so much fun at this bazaar, man. Yeah, so as you can see here, got this this wrapped up. This is the roasted corn for the Pan-African yeah, it's from the Pan-African mask community. So they actually cooked this roasted corn. Also, I got some got a burger too. So yeah, so this is a burger that has cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, everything on it. Also, I'll show you what else I got for this at the bazaar. So in this bag I got French fries and a sausage on the stick. The sausage on the stick was actually given away for free, so I just like took the last one because I worked at the Night at Columbus booth as a volunteer, so they usually this is the only time they hand out like the last piece of the sausage, because everything started to be gone around like 7. I think it was like 7 or 8 something, so everything starts to ran out. Yeah, man, that's so much fun, man. So before I end this video, I want you to check out some of the pictures I took during the bazaar, and even my little commentary or narrated for when I was narrated people playing soccer, throwing water balloons and all that. It was pretty fun. You'll see. Also including the winning bingo card. So check that out.
Where's my drink? On the side.
Oh! Oh, nice. Looks like whatever he's about to do, he passed it to the guy the camouflage Adidas shirt right there.
I think you're talking to him, right?
Hey, that's a goal. Where's the defense at, man? Where's the defense at, man? Oh, that's a handball right there. Handball. And someone throwing water balloons. Who the heck's throwing water balloons in the field? Who is throwing water balloons on the field? Who is throwing them? That's not allowed on the field. All right, looks like a little one-on-one action. Looks like about to be a free kick. No free kick. He's backing him up. Okay, it's a little interaction going on. All right. Oh. Back to the tent. Oh. Oh, that one-on-one. It's going to the Justice League bounce house. Oh, he did 360 on him. Oh, that's almost a goal. You gotta go get that ball. Oh. Gotta get that ball. I see this little man. Oh, dude, water balloon at him. He missed though. He didn't hit you though. It's all good though, bro. Huh? I'm just commentating y'all. Are you goalie now? Better get some deflections, man. See this little one-on-one. Oh, guy in the camouflage Adidas shirt. Oh, he crossed him. He crossed him again. And that's a goal right there. Where's the defense? Where's the deflections? Well, it's okay though. It's your first time being a goalie. Oh, you doing one more? Okay. Oh, somebody throwing water balloons. Who's throwing water balloons again? Keep throwing that to this guy right here. Next one, I was gonna throw a water balloon in 5, 4, 3, 2. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh, you almost got a water balloon. You almost got a water balloon, bud. Some one-on-one. Oh, he's by himself. I think so. Oh, he's by himself. Oh, good deflection by the goalie. Let's go. Oh, we ain't doing corner, so I don't know how y'all. No corner kicks though, bud. No corner kick. And I'm just coming. Oh, figure. Okay. I appreciate it.
Come on, bro. You can win this.
All right. He passed it back to the guy in the black. Switch to this guy right here. Guy with the socks, Under Armour socks on. That's correct. Yep. Under Armour socks. Oh, he's by himself. Oh, he slipped. Oh, what's going on? Oh, look like hurt his ankle. Okay. Oh yeah, I think it was ankle. Oh, it's our ankle. Stop for a second. Oh, look at that kite. Looks pretty high. It's up in the sky. You can see the plane too, going that way. Man, it's been a while seeing a kite in the air like that. Pretty cool kite. And I'm ready to get one. I'm ready to get one and fly one day. Okay, friends. Hopefully you enjoyed those pictures and that little commentary that I did earlier. And if you did, you could give it a like, comment, share, even subscribe as well. And I'm gonna end this video. End this video with a high note. Hopefully everyone enjoys the rest of the Sunday night. Don't drink and drive. And just remember, friends, be motivated, be healthy, be kind to each other, and the most important thing is just have fun. Peace out.